How to export Salesforce data into Excel with XL Connector. There are two different ways of exporting data from Salesforce into Excel with XL Connector. One is to pull a previously built report. To do that, we can click Reports in the connector. A window with our report folders and recently run reports will pop up. XL Connector offers multiple options when running a report that we can choose. For example, the behavior of the report when being refreshed, or the option to write a timestamp with the last time our report was run. We can also edit the report's filters in Salesforce or locally. Once we've defined all the options, we click Run Report and the data will populate our spreadsheet. There are no limits as to the number of rows you can pull from Salesforce to Excel with XL Connector. The other way to pull data from XL Connector is by using the Get Data feature. In this window, we can build a SQL query by selecting an object and checking the fields we'd like to pull. We can type the name of the field to find it faster. We also have the option to include filters in our query here. We can even select the cell where our data will start and whether to create a new worksheet. There's also a whole options section similar to the one for reports. Once our query is properly built, we simply click Execute. Our data can be always up to date thanks to the Refresh feature in XL Connector. We can choose to refresh the current sheet or all sheets in our workbook. XL Connector also includes a Data Sources dialog box, making it easier to see and manage connections to Salesforce within a single workbook. Watch the complete series of XL Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.